Hi there, today we're showcasing the OTTOSEA Chandelier Shades, set of 4 small rattan lamp shades that clip on bulbs. These shades are made from natural, eco-friendly Abaka hemp rope, hand-woven for a rustic farmhouse look that adds organic charm to any room. Each lampshade measures 5.1 inches high with a 5.6-inch diameter, fitting most chandeliers, desk lamps, and wall sconces perfectly. Their retro, simple design brings warmth to kitchens, living rooms, dining areas, and even bars or workshops. Installation is quick and easy, designed to fit securely over your light bulbs without hassle. The sturdy metal frame and natural fibers resist corrosion and weather, ensuring durability in various environments. With OTTOSEA's commitment to quality, these shades transform your lighting fixtures into cozy, inviting features. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.